Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 3 Gems of the Game boxes by MJ Holdings. You get 1 graded card in each box and 3 packs. All right, let's see if we got anything good. All right, we got a pack right here of 2024 Score, 2016 Contenders. Got a Mosaic 2024 pack. All right, first graded card, Tyjae Spears on a 10. We'll take it. Oops, sorry to go off screen with those. Another Score pack. Donruss 2016. Select 2023. Ooh, Sam Laporta rookie card on a 10. We'll take that all day. We get another Tyjae Spears on a 10. We like the Laporta. Mosaic. Contenders. Alrighty, we're looking for JD in these. We'll do these last. I would assume we'll go like that. '16 Contenders. Trash packs. Come on, Donruss 2016. Do a little better. Tyler Boyd rookie card. Well, nothing out of here. No parallels. Marcus Allen orange, Leonard Taylor. Jefferson on the orange, Brenna Rice. Dallas Turner, Garrett Wilson. All right, Mosaic, come through. Bo Nix on the debut, we'll take that. Marvin Harrison Jr. Allen. Last pack. Appreciate you watching. That's going to do it. Thank you for watching.